So we're starting with the Schröder SR-6400L. This unit's double boxed, so when you get it from FedEx, it should arrive in perfect shape. I'm gonna crack that open. Inside the box is the actual retail box. So when you go inside, we're gonna drop that out of there. And inside is the actual model. Nice thing here is they actually have extra padding around the walls to protect. If this is a Christmas gift or a present or something like that, or just for yourself, it's always nice to have a nice full color box. I'll just flip that around a little bit. You see the new Schroder SR-6400L. Let's crack it open. Let's see what this is all about. So we're going to open that. And drum roll. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, so you have a color manual. Let's prop that open. Okay. And our YouTube channel is right there. So we're going to be adding every day new videos. If you have any questions on the comments below, just drop some comments, and we check basically every 24 hours, Monday through Friday, on any messages, so we can respond to anything you have. And then basically you'll just have a nice color manual. There's our YouTube channel right there at www.youtube.com /@ Schroder, Germany. And nice color manual. It goes through basically how to fuel the unit. We'll do a video here on how to mix the fuel and how to start the unit. So if you watch next few days, we'll be showing those videos as well. Pretty much assembly, where to put the warranty, and basically there's a number of different things in here. You should definitely read through before start the unit. It goes through everything there. So check that out. So we'll put that back, and on top of the unit. With all of our units, what we do is just like having two keys. When you buy a new car, you want to have two keys. A lot of our commercial guys, they'll have these in the back of their trucks. They'll rot out after a few years. So we have a spare pull cord. It's not a replacement, it's a spare. So if you need a spare one down the road, you have an extra one, which is always nice to have. And now we're gonna go, and this is what the unit looks like inside. And we'll pop all the tubes out. I'll lay them down on the office floor here. So these are one of the tubes here. Everything's nicely labeled, so you have the part numbers all on that. Everything's there. Basically it talks about alignment, anything like that. So put that guy there. This unit comes with, this is a question we have quite a bit from customers. We ship the unit with this hose pushed inside for room. You're going to take that piece out. So that'll be your nozzle. The unit comes with two nozzles. You have a choice of the flat nozzle. Majority of people are going to use your cone nozzle. This is more for asphalt or roads or anything like that. So we're going to set that one down. And all the part numbers are on there. And so just know that you probably have that cone stuck inside. Just pull it out on the unit. One more part there. There's one more too. And unit comes with basically a little tool kit. So that'll be used for if you need to go tighten the muffler or anything like that. Always check the maintenance schedules on everything. Some things need to be tightened. This does come with a fuel mix bottle. I will show you how to mix using a regular jug. Majority of people are going to use their own jug. And then that way. Okay, and here we go. Let's set this down on top of the unit. comes. The Schröder SR-6400L. So there it is. And I'm going to open up this throttle for you. The nice thing with this throttle is it's got a variable speed throttle on it. So basically, you can set the throttle wherever you like to go. I always suggest always push the throttle button in and then make the adjustment. So you can then move it up and down. So don't, and then it'll stay and lock itself in place. So basically, if you want to go to 50%, it'll stay at 50% on the unit. And then you got your start. Always make sure to go, start is down, so before you go to start the unit, hit the start button. When you want to turn the unit off, hit the stop button. Right there you're going to have basically the tubes to put in. So there'll be a couple tubes to put. This unit is a 2-stroke. You're going to use 50-to-1, so make sure you do not use straight gasoline. We're going to have a video for you to watch how to do 50-to-1. So just make sure that you understand that this is not straight gasoline. You're using a 2-stroke fuel only. You have a lot more power with a 2-stroke. Perfect, so then I'll just flip it around. You can see what the back looks like. Really comfortable. Really thick cushions. You're also going to have 2 straps, an upper strap and a waist strap, which is nice. And then these will just get clipped on both sides. And then you have a nice all-weather backrest on the unit. So we'll just flip that around. And so we'll have a few more videos popped up on how to assemble this unit and how to put it together, how to start it, obviously, and how to maintain it. We're gonna have a lot of videos on the maintenance of these units. Everyone wants to wonder, you know, a few years down the road, how do I change this part? How do I do this? Very simple stuff. All the parts are available, from filters to carburetors to spark plug wires, spark plugs. Even if you want to go deep into the unit, we have the whole muffler kits. There's also pistons, piston rings, the block, anything you're going to ever need to repair this unit, we have it. So that'll always take care of it. It'll give you a lifelong companion. As you see, there's thousands of great happy customers online that say they absolutely love this unit. They always want to have this unit. That's their #1 unit. So try that out. If you're looking to buy the unit, if this is the first time you're finding us online, try us at schroderusa.com. Or if you're up in Canada, go to schrodercanada.ca. We'll see you shortly, and keep an eye on our videos on our channel.